For your close read this week, we're going to be reading a science short about fossil fuels, since that's what we're learning a lot about this week is renewable energy and fossil fuels. Think for a moment about the last time you used electricity. Maybe you turned on a light switch, watched television, or got a cold drink out of the refrigerator. Chances are you are using electricity right now. Most of the electricity we use every day comes from burning fossil fuels. The trouble is, fossil fuels and the pollution they create when we burn them are not so good for our planet. Fuel is a material that is used to create energy. This energy could be the heat that keeps us warm in the winter, the power that moves our cars and school buses, or even the food we eat that allows our bodies to move and function. Fossil fuels are fuels that come from fossils. That's right. When the ancient remains of living things are buried underground for a very long time, they turn into coal, oil, and natural gas. These materials give off energy when we burn them, which we harness to power our homes and cars. The trouble is, there is not an endless supply of fossil fuels buried underground. It takes millions of years for the bodies of once living things to turn into coal, oil, and natural gas. We are using up these materials much more quickly than they are being produced. That means someday we will run out of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are not a renewable resource like solar power or wind power. When they are gone, we can't just wait around for millions of years to get more. We will need to turn to renewable sources of energy. Another problem with fossil fuels is the pollution they give off when they are burned. Burning coal, oil, and natural gas releases harmful gases into the air like sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. These pollutants cause acid rain and destroy ozone, which protects our planet from the sun's heat. Okay, you are going to be answering the questions that go along with this. As you are answering your questions, I want you to go back and make sure you highlight in your paper where you found your evidence. So when it says which of the following uses electricity, lights, television, refrigerator, or all of the above, you can go back into your reading, and you can use a different color than we used with the vocabulary words. And it says right here, maybe you turned on a light switch, watched television, or got a cold drink out of the refrigerator. That's your electricity. That's your answer that tells you that it is D, all of the above. And you do the same with that for the rest of your questions. Make sure you go back into the reading and find your evidence. Let me know if you have any questions about your close read today.